Hey everyone, welcome back to Let's Code to be a Java programmer. And today is day 10 of our coding journey. In today's session, we learn about the ternary operator in Java, which provides a shorthand way to write simple if-else statements. So let's get started. So in previous examples, we had an overview of if-else statement, basically about the conditional statements, where we had learned about if-else, and if-else-if. So here we have another thing, which is basically a shorthand cut of if-else statement. Now, what if we have a condition? If we will be writing the condition, and else if the condition is false, it will be executing the else part, right? So instead of if else, we can use something called as ternary operator. So ternary operator will be like this. Now this is known as ternary operator. Now how this ternary operator basically looks is, we'll be having a condition here. So on the left side of the question mark, we will be having the condition. On the right side of the question mark, if the condition is true, then the expression or a value or anything which is at the right side of the question mark will be executed, and anything which is false, if the condition is false, then something which is at the right side of the colon will get executed. Okay, so this is the format of ternary operator. Now let me show you a very basic example. Now let me say that, let me declare an integer value. Let's say integer a is 10. Okay, so here I have fixed an integer value of 10. Okay, so I just wanted to know if 10 is lesser than, if 10 is an even or odd number. Okay, so for that I have string result. I have declared another variable called result, which is of string. Okay, because even and odd, these words are string, right? That's why. Now let me move it to the indentation. Okay, so we'll be writing the condition here. How it basically works is, now result is here, result is equal to, we'll be writing the condition. So a, how we'll be finding whether it is an even number or not, if the remainder when divided by 2 is 0. So when this is the condition, if this condition is true, it will be returning us even. If it is false, it will be returning us odd. Okay, so here we need to put it inside the quotes, even and odd. Perfect. Now save. Now let's compile it. Yes, it is even. Now 10 is even. That's why it has printed even. Now let's do the same program. Now let's do the same, use the same ternary operator and print another thing. Okay, now let me have two different values, 5 and int b is equal to 7. Okay, now based on the condition which one is greater, I need to print the greater value. So let's have a result. Now how it works is, result is equal to the value where the answer needs to be saved, that is variable. So we have the variable and the condition, that is a, if a is greater, it will be printing, that is if a is greater, it will be printing a, otherwise it will be printing b. Basically the value which is of great, the maximum value will be printed here. So in order to check out what's the result, we have system.out.print and we use result here, control S. Now let's see what's going to be the answer. 7. Yes, because 7 is the greatest value. Now let me put here 15. Give control S. Hello.java. It has given me 15, which is the greatest value. That's all for day 10. Today we covered the ternary operator in Java. It's a powerful tool for simplifying your code and making it more readable. Spend some more time practicing with different conditions and see how you can use the ternary operator in your program. Tomorrow we'll continue with more advanced Java topics. Thank you for joining me on day 10 of Let's Code to be a Java Programmer. If you found this video helpful, please like, subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified about our daily coding sessions. See you tomorrow for day 11. Happy coding!